Today we will learn how we can write a search engine optimized or SEO article on WordPress using Yoast SEO WordPress plugin. So to do this, first we need to write down minimum 500 words article based on a specific keyword. That keyword will be related to the niche we want to write on. You can choose any keyword using Google Keyword Planner or any other keyword tool available on the internet. After selecting the keyword, use this keyword around 3 to 4 times in a 500 words article. You can also choose secondary or related keywords which you can use once or twice in your article. Make sure that the content you have written is interesting and plagiarism free. So after writing down the article, you will also have to design 2 to 3 images using Photoshop or any other graphical tool to insert into your article. These images should be in high definition. These images should have high resolution and they should be sharp and clear. After that, log into your WordPress account and click on the Posts button on the left sidebar. And yes, you also need to install the SEO Yoast plugin in your WordPress. The free version of this plugin is easily available in WordPress account. You can install it easily. Once you have installed SEO Yoast plugin, you will see 2 new columns of SEO score and readability score in front of your post name, and these scores will tell you the readability and the SEO score about your article. So just let's start with writing a new article for your website. Just click on the Add New button. So just type or paste your blog title in the Enter Title text box and make sure that your title must have your keyword. After that, just copy the blog you have just written and paste it in the body area of your blog. After pasting the blog, you need to make the headings bigger. So I will recommend the heading 2 size or the heading 2 format for your main headings and heading 3 format for your subheadings. And make sure that you are using your keyword once in your main heading and also in your subheadings. A total number of keywords should be around 4 to 5 in a 500 words article. So if you scroll down, you will see a readability and SEO analysis score in the bottom provided by SEO plugin, and this score will tell us the readability and focus keyword analysis for our blog. To make your article search engine optimized, you need to select the categories for your article. You can select any one category or 2 or more than 2 categories for this article. I will select art. After that, write down 2 to 3 tags for this article. These tags will help to find or search your article easily on the search engines, and the search engines can easily crawl your article by using these tags. So just write them down and click on Add button. Our tags have been added successfully. After adding the tags, we need to add a featured image for your article. So here we have already designed few images for this article. Just select any one of them, and you also need to add an alternate text for your article. The alternate text can be the key phrase or the keyword you have selected for this article. Now you can see the readability score is good and it is showing all green lights, but still there is one orange light that is showing that we are using too much passive voice sentences. So just highlight these sentences and you need to alter them into active voice. Not all the sentences, but 1 or 2 or 3 sentences you can convert into active voice to make this light green. Okay, here you can see I am altering the sentence into an active voice, and now all lights are green. So our readability score is good now. Let's check the focus key phrase analysis, and here you need to put the keyword which you have selected for your blog. I have inserted the keyword. After that you will see all scores are good, so still there are some scores which need to be improved. So just alter the format of your title by adding a separator and a side title. It will make your article SEO optimized. You also need to write down a meta description for your article. Just use the keywords and the related phrases in this description. This description is more important for your article because it will be shown in the search engines whenever the visitors or anyone will search for the particular keyword. Then this description will be shown in front of your article name. So it is very important to write down something attractive or meaningful for the visitor. Now you can see the progress bar is green. That means we have written a search engine optimized description for our article. Okay, now let's add other images to the article. Just go to the add media and select the images that you have already designed for your article. Also add an alternate text to this image. That should be your key phrase or the keyword. And then just insert into the post. You can repeat this process to add other images, but I will recommend around 1 or 2 images per post. Too many images can make your post or blog heavier, so it will be difficult to load, and then visitors will not visit your page so much. So it is good if you can add only 1 or 2 images in a post. You should also add some outbound links in your article. For this I am using Amazon Affiliate Marketing Builder. If you want to use this plugin, then first you have to make your Amazon Affiliate Marketing account, and then you can install this plugin in your WordPress and start using it. It is a very good plugin to build no-follow links in your WordPress blog. So we also need to add some do-follow links in our blog because all of our outbound links are no-followed. So we will get a link from Pinterest and we will add it in our blog. That will be a do-follow link. So let's write down a text which you want to hyperlink with that do-follow link. I am writing mug art examples because I want to show different examples of the mug art to my visitors. After writing the text, just select it, and you can also change its color. Just click on the insert hyperlink button and paste the link from your Pinterest. Press the enter key, and now you also have a do follow link in your blog. You should also add some inbound links in your article. So here I am giving the links of some of the related articles on my website. You can just give a heading and simply paste the link under the heading. You can see that an image is shown under the heading with some text, and you can add more articles if you want. I will recommend only 1 or 2 inbound links to be added in the blog to make it search engine optimized. And yes, finally we have make all of our SEO Yoast plugin light screen, and our article is completely search engine optimized now. You can upload it, you can share it anywhere you want, and yes, of course you will get a very good traffic from this blog if you have followed all these steps I have told you. So start writing and subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon for latest e-learning videos.